MORPHEUS8 is mainly for tightened skin, improve skin elasticity, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, smooth skin, even skin tone and lighten areas of discoloration, minimize stretch mark.
Hey guys, welcome back. This is your old friend Summer, and today I'll introduce you a new device. This is the MORPHEUS8. It is an innovative device combining traditional microneedling with fractionated radio frequency energy for rapid skin rejuvenation. And now let's have a look at the machine details.
Hello, let's see the working interface. First, there are for face and for body. Then there are total 4 kinds of needles. First one is the small needle for eye, and the medium needle is for face, and the large needle is for body. And there is a nano needle for imported for the skin rejuvenation. And after that, we can see there are some parameters. For example, here we have adjusted the parameter. And this is the power of the RF, and this is the needle depth, and this is the frequency. And also there will show you how many times you have used. And click Start, then touch the pendle. It will work. Now let's see how to operate this machine. First, we will show you how to use the small needle for the eye. And after install the needle, then we can click Start and touch the pendle. This needle is for around the eye. Now we use this medium size. This one is for the face treatment. Now we adjust the parameter first and then click Start and touch the handle. Okay, now we use this big handle, and this one is for the body. Now we use this nano head. It is for skin tightening. And we need to use some cooling gel to do the treatment.